Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on Phemex. And if you want to trade on Phemex, of course you can create an account by yourselves, and that is also the first step that you need to do. But you can also go to the mock trading option right here, because if you want to paper trade, we can select right here mock trading, and then he will send us right here to this page. Now, I already created an account, so that is why I can open a long or a short position. But if you want to demo trade, make sure that you create yourselves an account. If you don't have any idea how to do that, I created 5 minutes ago a video called how to create an account on Phemex, where I showed you exactly how to do all these steps. And then in 1 minute, you are having an account. Then right here, we are here on the chart. And let's say we are using our paper trading account. If you don't want to use your paper trading account, you can select right here, start live trading, and then you can start live trading from here. If you go back, because I want to use my paper trading account, mock trading is how it's called right here in Phemex. We want to start trade from here. So the first thing that we are going to do is I want a clean chart. So I remove right here the indicators. There we go. And I want to choose for a symbol. So let's say we want to choose for something right here. Do they have, now let's say Solana, that is fine. Then you will find right here the chart. So you can do your technical analysis right here if you want to do that. But we are interested in buying Solana. So what we're going to do right here is if you want to buy Solana, the first step that we are going to do is go to open and click right here on market order, because if you click here on limit order, then we can fill in the price, and when that price amount will hit, then he will create a position for you. But I want a direct, immediately position on Solana, and then a market position, a market order will buy that directly for you. So we fill in right now for how much USDT we want to step in. So let's say $100. If you want to change this one to Solana, you can do that too. But I like filling in the amount of USDT more. So we do $100. And then what we're going to do is we click right here on this option. If you want to do on risk management, you can fill in right here the TP price. And TP is standing for take profit. Take profit means that, let's say, when I'm at my work and I'm not right here on my screen, and this price that I fill in right here will hit, he will automatically close our trade and will take the profits. So let's say right now Solana is standing on $78. So let's say when Solana hit $90, then he will automatically close our trade. And this is exactly what we will make when the price hits $90. Now we can also do this for a stop loss. So let's say when the price drops to $70, then he will automatically close our trade too, because we want to stop our losses. So when the price drops to $70, he will close our trade too. If you don't want to do that, that's also fine. Then disable right here this option, and then you can create a simple order. And right now we click here on open long. There we do confirm right here. And now we created ourselves a nice position on Solana with a take profit and a stop loss. So that is very nice to see. If you want to close our position, then what we're going to do is click right here on market, and then you can close right here the complete long position. We can also take partials if you want to do that. So then select right here 50% and then do close long. But right now we want to close a complete trade. So we do close trade, and there we go. This is how you can buy and can close your position right here on Phemex. Now, if you go back to the charts, we can change the time frame right here. If you want to change something like bars or candles, you can do that right there. If you want to add an indicator that will help your analysis, we can fill that one in. So let's do an RSI, click right there. And now we are having an indicator standing here in our chart. So if I hold my mouse right here to the RSI, we can delete it. And this is how you can add an indicator. To be honest, this is in a nutshell what you need to know to start trading right here on Phemex. And if you want to know maybe something more, comment it down below so I can help you out right there. So this was under 5 minutes, a quick video how to trade. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.